Yo fam, so I told you guys I was going to be doing the sound test in another video, and this is the video. But before I get into the sound test, I just want to quickly talk about how comfy the headphones are, and it doesn't even feel like I'm putting on anything on my head now, no cap. And there's something I like also. There's this swivel feature it has where if someone is talking to you, you can just like swivel it out to here. You don't need to take it off fully, and you can swivel it inward too. You see, so that you can get into your head. So I'm going to be playing music now. I've connected it to my phone. I'm going to be playing music right now. And quick reaction, man. So it's sounding. That's a very low volume, man. I'm feeling happy. Let me raise it up. Not bad. I can't hear myself right now, but it's not bad. I swear. For the price I bought it, bro. I swear it's not bad. Come on, come on, come on, come on. If you want me to explain properly how it sounds, let me know. But for the price it's going for, the sound is amazing. And if you want to know where I got it from, just let me know in the comments. I'll plug you. Sharp.